Smile. You want to say something?
Yes.
What? Oh, my nose is itching.
Not eating.
I love Mama.
I love Mama
I love Mama and Papa.
and Papa.
My name is?
Daddy.
My name is Isha.
I
What?
don't need daddy.
What are you making?
I'm making sandwich.
What?
Sandwich?
Okay. Do you want to go to school? What is the name of your school?
Daddy cook.
10 o'clock.
10 o'clock?
Yes.
Okay. What is the time now?
Make pizza.
Are you making pizza?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Whom are you making the pizza for?
Mommy, Daddy.
Mommy, Daddy? You don't want to have a little bit? Do you want little bit pizza? Isha, can you give me a smile?
A big smile, Isha.
Big smile. Look at me and give me a big smile.
Look at Papa.
Ishu. Big smile.
Show me you're strong, Isha.
Show me how.
Oh.
Yes.
And can you sing Jingle Bells? Okay, sing Happy Birthday to you.
No.
Oh, please. Please, baby.
I'm making pizza.
You can sing while making pizza.
Me.
Sing Happy Birthday to you. Please.
Did you finish making a pizza?
Yes.
Can you show it to us?
Smile.
My.
Big smile.
My.
Can you show me your teeth? Show me your nose. And show me your eyebrows. And show me your ears. Pull your ears.
Say ears.
Pull.
Say,
Ears.
Pull.
say peekaboo. Isha, please say
Peekaboo.
once more, please.
Peekaboo.
Say owl.
Owl.
Can you tell me the names of your friends?
Yes. Tutu.
And?
Isha.
And?
Paki.
And?
Duri.
And?
Dada.
And?
Duri.
And?
Fighter.
And?
Mosi.
And?
Tutu.
Soham?
Sharp.
And? Rini Didi?
Yes.
Who?
Shan bhai.
Shan Bhai? Boomba Jechu?
Yes.
Look at Papa and say Boomy Jutu.
Where's your gym? Can you show me your gym?
Odios.
Oh, there?
Yes.
Alright.
Who is Takalu?
Me.
Who took your hair, Isha?
Scissors.
Scissors took your hair. Very good.
What can I take here?
Alright.
Bye bye, Isha.
Bye.
Isha, say bye bye.
Bye-bye.
See you.
See you.
Take care.
Take care.